Woo!
And feel. I'm happy you feel.
Which one's a hippo?
Pretty good. Put it in a pan, but it's really high. Let it sit down, Lisa.
Hi, I'm Maggie. I'm a senior. I have special friends on Gold 4. I absolutely love it. It is one of my favorite parts of the day. It's not only just like helping them with stuff, you also just like make connections with the kids and you learn more about them as the year goes on and you just make friends and you just have to realize that they're normal people too and you just work with them and just have fun with them and it's just a lot of fun.
Hello, my name's Jake and I'm a peer in Special Friends.
My name's Rogue, and I'm also in Special Friends.
It's a really cool class to be in. It's a really cool experience. It's very fun to interact with the kids and just be around them all the time.